8878. This is the Hurrah! This is the Hurrah! Perfect timing, 8870 Jackliner mga kaibigan! Gerald Sacobon. Villa Crucis, yes! Yes! Labanan ng fake news! Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Yung mga biyahin ko ba, alam na ha. Exclusive sa Cubao, alam na this. Yes. Yeah, may upuan po dyan, alam na. Bibidyoan po natin ang buong sambayan ng Pilipino. Driver Villa Crucis. Ah, may baby, may baby. May upuan pa, may baby, may baby.
Sa may pahuli, meron doon.
Yes, meron pa huli. Alam na this. Okay, strictly hot, alam na. 8870. Alam na. Walang drama-drama, walang fake news. Una sa balita.
Tama rin, o yan. Lala, katop na ha. Katop na.
Alam na this. Barbie na po.
Kung may nang dyan.
Okay.
Kaya pwede na tayong gumita, dire-diretso na. Pag naman tayo magsakay dito, puro tayo magsakay sa Pablo.
Aspeke na.
Tayo na tayo apat eh. Para natin nagbigay sa Pablo sakali.
Traffic po dito sa Barangay San Miguel, Santo Tomas, Batangas. Ayan. Astounding.
Astounding.
Traffic is astounding. Thursday, today, malapit na mag-holidays.
Today is holiday.
Siyempre, start of the Christmas holiday season. Ayan. Pati ba naman ang alam na, ingat-ingat sa kain ng chicheria, alam na eh. Pero may mga factors na nakaka-risk. Mas maigit tayong kumain ng sapat. And then, yan ang tinuro sa atin ng Adventist Health. Yes, of course. Yung mga vegetarian meals, yes. Importante yan sa katawan natin, vegetarian. Then, the compact. Yan. Si Gerald Sacopon, nakilala natin siyang una sa 8901. Now at 8870. 8812. 88112. Yes, first. Before Mark Anthony Ramos. Yung mga kaibigan, 88112, doon siya nakilala. Lucena Alabang Road. Okay, mga kaibigan, traffic time. Yan, driver Villa Crucis is here. Yes. Kung matatandaan po natin, nag-swap sila
1870 na ako. 1870.
ng driver.
Hindi, 1870 talaga ako.
Only. It's only
Only in the Philippines.
only in the Philippines, alam na this. Kaya binigyan natin ng pag-asa where it comes to fighting spirit. Ang mahalaga, tayo na sa positive vibes. And each to everyone to continue to succeed. Engine your goals. Yun sa ating YouTube channel, Joyan Montilla Vlogs, to be exact. There's more in the class, well, all about the simplicity. Alam naman natin yan lahat. Thanks for watching. Welcome aboard! The new era has begun. Jackliner Bus 8870. Dalahican, Cubao, Camyas on board. Be ready, be inspired, be happy. Stay safe forever. The finest quality of Adventist education in the heart of San Pablo City, Laguna. SCLC Adventist School Incorporated, San Rafael. Enroll now at SCLC
Adventist School San Rafael to being enjoy the best quality Adventist education.
Idols Fitness Gym, located at M. Leonor Street, San Pablo City, Laguna. Gym na tayo, only here at Idols Fitness Gym.
Tara, let's kain na sa Veggie Yum, located at 240 Maharlika Highway, Barangay San Rafael, San Pablo City, Laguna, malapit sa SM City, San Pablo.
Alagang Jack is getting ready for Harvest 2025.